Hello students, welcome to this class of fluid mechanics. So yesterday we have studied about Venturi meter, right? We have studied what are the applications of Bernoulli's equation, and we have studied about first application of Bernoulli's equation, which was Venturi meter. So today we will solve the numerical related to Venturi meter so that you can get the feel of Venturi meter. Okay. So first of all, let's see. This was Venturi meter, right? In last class that we have discussed, this was actually a Venturi meter. What is the use of Venturi meter? It is used to measure flow rate, right? So let's solve a numerical. So what is basically given to us? Here we have studied in last class that Venturi meter has three parts, right? 1, 2, 3. First is converging section, 2 is throat, and 3 is diverging section. And we were interested in 2 points in which in between where we apply the Bernoulli's equation, right? Point 1 and point 2. This is my point 1 and this is my point 2. Okay. So what's given in the question is the question throat diameter is given. Throat diameter is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. And pipe diameter, pipe dia is 30 centimeters. Pipe dia is 30 centimeter. And it is given that when the pressure difference is measured between point 1 and 2 using the differential manometer. We have already studied about differential manometer in our class, right? So here differential manometer is used to calculate the pressure head between point 1 and 2. Okay, so it gives the, what is the head? It is the pressure head, basically pressure head by mercury differential manometer. Okay, that is given. It is equal to 50 centimeter of Hg. Hg means mercury, right? So it is given in the equation. And there is a oil that is flowing in this pipeline. Okay, and the specific gravity of oil is 0.9. Fine, that's given in the equation. Okay, so we have to find the flow rate here. Okay, and yes, CD is also given, coefficient of discharge, which is equal to 0.98. So this is the data that is given to us. Throat diameter is given, pipe dia is given. So basically this is pipe dia, right? This one is pipe dia. This is 30 centimeters. Okay, and this is the throat dia here, and this is 15 centimeters. Fine, throat dia is 50 centimeters, and the oil is flowing having specific gravity of 0.9 and coefficient of drag is 0.98. And now we need to calculate the flow rate. Flow rate needs to be calculated. This is what we need to calculate. Okay, flow rate. So first of all, to apply the Bernoulli's equation, what was the formula? First of all, what's the formula for calculating discharge? We have calculated in last class. It's equal to CD A1 A2 divided by A1 square. We have already derived this formula in last class using Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so here I am directly applying the formula. If you are not getting how this formula is derived, please refer to my last class on Venturi meter. Multiply by 2GH. Okay, here H is capital H. Okay, this is, let's say this is small h, 50 centimeter of Hg. It is the H that is shown in differential manometer. This H is different, capital H. It is total pressure head. Fine. So here first of all I need to calculate A1 and A2. What will be A1? A1 will be equal to pi by 4 d square. What is 1? 1 here is pipe dia, है ना? This is pipe dia. So pi by 4 0.3 square, right? It will be equal to 0.0706 meter square. Okay, similarly we will calculate A2. It will also be equal to pi by 4 0.15 whole square. Okay, it will came out to be 0.0176 meter square. Fine. So what is pressure head? Capital H. So we know the value of G. CD is given to us. We have calculated A1 and A2. Now we are remaining with H. What is H? H is P1 minus P2 upon rho G, right? Which is also equal to, how we calculate the pressure head when using differential manometer? It is equal to H, small h, that is given to us 50 centimeter of Hg, H multiplied by S of Hg divided by S of fluid that is flowing, right? Minus of 1. I hope you know that from where this thing comes. We have already discussed this in manometer, in differential manometer. Okay, please go through that again if you're not clear how I am writing this equation. Okay, so we will calculate capital H here. What is H? Small h 0.5 and specific gravity of mercury is 13.6 and specific gravity of fluid is given to us 0.9, right? 13.6, 0.9 minus 1. Okay, and it will came out to be 7.055. Fine. So now I need to calculate the discharge. So I know the values. What is my CD? 0.98 multiplied by A1 A2. Okay, 0.0706 multiplied by 0.0176 A2 divided by 0.0706 whole square minus 0.0176 whole square under root, okay, the root multiplied by 2, 9.81 multiplied by 7.055. Okay. After calculate, it will came out to be 0.2095 meter cube per second. Okay, so this was the result we were interested in. It is how flow rate is calculated. See, it's quite simple. Using the Bernoulli's equation, we have in last class using Bernoulli's equation we calculate this formula, right? This formula. Now by using this formula, we calculated how the flow rate is calculated in venturimeter. I hope you are clear with this question. If you have any doubts, please put it in comment section. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.